This is the HAYLOU T17 Bluetooth Sport Earphones. This pair of earphones is suitable for sports use because it features an anti-slip ear hooks. It has the Bluetooth 5.0 as well as IPX7 certified. So we're going to unbox this and show you its contents and connect it to our mobile phone. So this is what you see once you open up the box. It has got the charging case and the earphones are inside the charging case. You can see the anti-slip ear hooks. It has got the usage guide and this is the USB Type-C cable, and I believe it's for charging the earphones, and some spare ear tips. So these are the items in box. So the next thing we want to do is to charge our earphones. So do note that this does not come with any power adapter. We will use our power bank to charge the charging case as well as the earphones itself. And we will use the USB-C cable that comes in box. So the first thing to note before charging is that you need to remove the protective sticker that is on the charging contacts of the earphones itself. Simply peel it off. Do the same for the left earphone. You can see that there's a sticker that is stuck onto the charging contacts. If you do not remove the sticker, you will not be able to charge the earphones. So next, plug one end of the USB cable into our power bank, and the USB-C will plug it into the charging port on the charging case itself. You can see once you plug in the USB-C cable, there's a blinking red LED indicating that it is charging. So do note that the battery capacity of the earphones is 55 mAh and the battery capacity for the charging box is 600 mAh. Charging time takes about 2 to 3 hours. Right out of box, once the earphones are fully charged, you are able to get 6 hours of playtime. Together with the charging case itself, you'll be able to get up to 30 hours of playtime. One thing to note for the charging case, the input parameter is 5 volts or 1 ampere. So do not use any power banks or chargers that is more than 1 ampere for charging the charging case. When the charging case is fully charged, you can see that the LED will be off. This takes about 2 to 3 hours. So after charging the earphones in the charging case, let us connect it to our mobile phone. To do that, remove the earphones from the case itself. On our mobile phone, open up Bluetooth. You can see that there is the HAYLOU T17R, which stands for right earphones being found. Select that. There will be a pop-up Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with HAYLOU T17 or select pair. The next pop-up will ask you to pair with the left earphone. Likewise, select pair. Let's do a check. So HAYLOU T17 is now connected. Select done. So now that the earphones have been paired with the mobile phone, let's play some music. To start the music, simply tap on the right earphone once. To skip to the next song, we'll tap on the right earphone twice. To go back to the previous song, you tap on the left earphone twice. So this is how you do a music playback on the HAYLOU T17 earphones. So now that we have shown you how to play music using the controls on the earphones, we'll show you how to answer and end calls next. So there's an incoming call. To answer the call, simply press on the earphones once. To end the call, press on the earphones once. To reject an incoming call, here's how to do it. To reject the call, simply press on the earphones for 1.5 seconds. And so, this is how you unbox the HAYLOU T17 Sports earphones. We have just shown you the inbox contents, how to charge, how to pair it to a mobile phone, how to use the earphones control to play music, and also to answer and reject calls.